Hey, Remy. Hi. I'm sorry to disturb you. I thought you might sleep, but thanks God you're not. I wanted to ask you if there any chance that I could, stay for this night here. Because here it's thunderstorm and, that I'm pretty much struggling a lot when it's this type of weather outside and kind of makes me freak out at some point. Yeah, I mean, basically, if there any chance that I can sleep with you here, or maybe you can come to my room, and because I've been trying to fall asleep for like around 2 hours, but I still can't. And I think you're the only one solution that can actually help me too. Sure thing. Well, thanks so much. No, I mean, I should ask because probably you just want to spend time alone or, not to be too invasive. I mean, you know how hard it is for me to sleep when it's this loud sound and the lightning. I don't know, it's kind of triggering me, but the reason, maybe I just don't remember how it happened, but, yeah. Jesus, I'm so tired. If you wouldn't mind, I'm gonna lay on your chest. You wouldn't. I know that you wouldn't. I feel really comfy here. Yeah. That'd be great if you put your hand on my waist. Yeah, and rub my back. Thank you. Thanks so much. Damn, you smell great. It's a nice smell. You know that you make me feel really comfortable every single day when I spend time with you or when I come here to like a sleepover or whatever, just like being around you makes me feel so great. Yeah. Like, I don't know what about this, but I just feel like it's something that makes me feel way, way better. Like your energy and just your presence and things you do, you say, how you do them. Yeah. Yeah. It's like, seems like you make everything better. That's what I want to say. I'm sorry, that was kind of unexpected, but you like it, don't you? Well, that's really nice to hear that we are on the same page.